LivePlan now has an MCP connector, so you can chat with your business plan, make changes, and build your forecast right inside your AI assistant. Real business planning tools right in the chat window you already have open. Ask a question, make a change, model a what-if scenario, and when you're done, the finished plan and your forecast are waiting for you back in LivePlan. All right, here's an example. Now that we have LivePlan connected with Claude, we're gonna have it make some changes to my company in there, which is Emerald Outdoor Design. I'm gonna have it create an extra revenue stream that doubles my company's revenue, and let's see what happens. All right, perfect. It started increasing June 2027, just like I asked for. And I can still make changes in LivePlan as well, but it looked like the Claude MCP connector worked great. You can also just ask it some questions. So I'm gonna ask the Claude connector what my biggest expense was. And it gives me salaries and wages, which that seems to be correct, but let's maybe ask it a little bit more of a difficult question. And it's just gonna try to answer this: can I afford an annual raise of 10% for my employees? What's great about this connector is that it gives us some context. So the answer is yes, but here is the reasoning behind it. When you close your chat, all the work you did is saved in the LivePlan account and also in the history of your connector. Add the LivePlan connector to your favorite AI assistant. Steps are in the link below.